Relocating from India to Canada is an exciting journey, but the process comes with its own challenges, especially when moving your belongings. In this video, we will break down the cost of moving from India to Canada, explain what factors influence these costs, and provide tips on saving money while ensuring a smooth relocation. When planning an international move, several factors determine the overall cost. These include the size of your shipment, full container or half container, the type of service, door-to-door, packing, insurance, etc., customs duties and taxes, the timing of the move, as prices can vary seasonally. Understanding these components can help you estimate costs and make informed decisions. When calculating your move's cost, it's essential to consider all the services included. Here are some standard services that contribute to the cost. Packing services to ensure your belongings are safely secured for transport. Storage fees in case your items must be stored temporarily before or after the move. Agent fees for customs paperwork and handling. These services can add up, so get a detailed estimate from your international moving company. Ready to make your move from India to Canada? Contact 3 Movers today for a free shipping quote and let us handle the logistics of your international relocation. We specialize in international moving services, ensuring your move is cost-effective and stress-free. Visit our website or call us now to get started.